Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, and through today's lesson we will be revising the concept of multiplication. So let us start with the revision now. Question number 1. Express multiplication as repeated addition. Children, as you know, multiplication is also known as repeated addition. So please remember, if the question comes like this, see the A part, 5 times 4. Read it as 5 times 4. That means how many times you have to write 4? 5 times. So it would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 5 times 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Similarly, express 6 times 3, 2 times 7 and 4 times 6. Fine. Now moving on to question number 2, which is the dodging tables. And for this, you need to revise the tables well. So first learn the tables and then attempt this part where you have to write down the answers for the tables. So kindly do it. Now moving on to question number 3, where you have to solve the sums. And question number 3 is having the questions without carryover. So children, no need to worry. You just have to do the simple multiplication as 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0 and then 5 ones are 5. So stepwise multiplication is to be done. Now moving to question number 4, where again the multiplication sums are here and you need to do these multiplication sums. These are with carryover. So the first part is 1127 multiplied by 7. So again follow the simple steps. First multiply with the ones. 7 sevens are, then 7 twos are, 7 ones are and 7 ones are. Let us do one part over here. For example, if it is 246 multiplied by 5. So 5 6 is 30. So putting 0 here and 3 is the carry over. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So 23 and then 2 is the carry over. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So the answer comes out to be 1230. So children, try the other questions and get the answers. Moving on to question number 5 now, where we have to do fill in the blanks. Now children, as you know, the rule is when we multiply any number by 10, only what you have to do, 10 means 10. So first put 10 and then write the remaining number. Like 8 ones is 8. So it is 8 tens are 80. 8 tens is 80. Similarly, 11 into 10, put 10 and then write. So 110. Now, when any number is multiplied by 100, the answer is the same number with 2 zeros. So first put 2 zeros and then write the remaining number. Moving on to the E part, where we are multiplying the number by 1000. So put 3 zeros and then write the number. So 9 multiplied by 1000 is 9000. And now moving on to the G part, as you are observing that the answer is the same number, that means here the multiplication is by 1. Moving on to H part, we are having the two numbers as 1053 and 2051. So here see which number is missing. The missing number is 1053. So here it will be 1053. Now in the I part, as you can see, the answer is coming out to be 0. So when the answer of multiplication is coming out to be 0, that means that number is multiplied by 0. In question number 6, multiply the sum of 464 and 269 by 7. Children, for such type of questions, just understand it's written multiply the sum of. Sum means addition. So first of all, get the sum of 464 and 269. So the first step is adding these two numbers and then whatever answer you will get, multiply that answer by 7. So just solve it. Moving on to question number 7 now. We'll subtract 1052 from 4375 and multiply the answer by 6. So just check out. Subtract 1052 from 4375. So the first digit written over here, the first number will be 4375, and from this you will be subtracting 1052. Then the answer which you will get, you will multiply that answer by 6 and get the answer. Now moving on to the word problems. I will read out the word problem for you and then you will be solving that. The A part, there are 365 days in a year. We are talking of the normal year. How many days are there in 3 such years? Have you understood how you need to do? First of all, number of days in a year are given 365 and we need to get the number of days in 3 such years. So multiply 365 by 3 and get the answer. And please write the appropriate statement also which is needed in word problems. The next part is a flower has 3 petals. You know petals, the colorful part of the flower? How many petals are there in 27 such flowers? So it would be, the answer will get by multiplying 27 by 3. The third part, a train has 21 coaches. There are 6 such trains. How many coaches are there in all? In all you have to calculate how many coaches are there. So in one coach we are having 20, in one train we are having 21 coaches, and we need to calculate how many coaches are there in 6 such trains. So multiply 21 by 6 and get the answer and write the appropriate statement. So dear children, please do these revision questions yourself without taking anybody's help. And before attempting, make sure that you have revised the tables well. Fine. In next lesson, we'll taking up the revision of division part. So prepare it accordingly. Thank you, students.